Alright guys, today I'm going to be showing you how to make a grappler. So first, these are the items you're going to need. These, a revolver, and an arrow. So first, you're going to put the revolver right here. Then, you're going to put that there. You got to grab these. I put one here, and then one right here. And then the final part, an arrow to stick to. Then you want to go grab a frying pan, and then you want to hit it 3 times, like this. 1, 2. Whoop. That's how you make a grappler. Bye guys.